what are three pain points that migration clients come to us with? And yeah, and what advice would you give them? What do you see the most?
Yeah.
What do you see the most?
Number one is that they are overwhelmed. They don't know where to start. That's where all of our migration clients come from, right? So when you are, when you are a big school, when you have a lot of users, right? One of the things at the back of your mind as a business owner is that you don't want to mess this up, right? Because you have a lot of students who have put their trust on you. You want to make the migration as smooth as possible for your end users. You do not want to mess this up. This is the number one, pain point of the clients. The second one is that clients wonder, right? Uh, will one platform suffice all their needs? That is also, again, the second question that we get from all of our clients. Because, as we have covered back when, if you were doing this, 10 years, 12 years ago, if you have a huge e-learning business, right, you have already been working in a environment wherein you are duct taping multiple platforms. So it comes as a surprise to clients when they learn that actually you can do all of those things that you would, pay for 7, 8, 9 platforms, and then you can use one platform to put everything there. Clients are surprised. Not only surprised, they're kind of taken aback. I mean, what is this possible? Technology changed this much. This is the kind of, interactions we get from legacy clients, right? The third pain point is that, which is where we come in, right? Actually making the migration, actually moving all of their assets to where it was to where it should be, the new platform.
Yeah.
And the data. And not only that, there's a lot of strategy involved, right? To make sure that you cannot make any mistake in this. Imagine you're a pilot, flying a passenger jet. Your one mistake can cost, a lot of passengers, a lot of things. It will be a disaster even if you make a small mistake. I believe the same goes on when we undertake a migration project as well. One small mistake can derail the entire business that you have built all throughout these years, right? So one of the things that where we come in actually is to make the journey as easy as possible for our clients, strategizing, requirements gathering, making sure where all the screws and where all the gears fit, how can everything work together, and making sure there's a smooth transition so that the students, they do not feel anything. They are just migrated from, to the students, they will feel that, they migrated from one platform to the other without any pain. That's one of the
Yes.
major issues.